Ayden from the Off-Grid Shop here, and today we're going to talk about our Mac Daddy system. Mike's going to give you an overview of what you can do with this one.
Yeah, so we call this system the Mac Daddy End Charger Tester 2. This is probably really pushing the limits of a DIY. And look, the reality is the boxes just get bigger. If you've got the skills of doing a DIY installation, you do this no problems at all, I think, if you've got the confidence to do it. So this system is 13 kilowatts of solar panels. This system here has about 20 kilowatt hours of battery storage, and it's got a 15 kVA inverter. So this is a quite large system. These guys run pool, infrared sauna. Now this house here, they actually did go with gas heating and gas cooking and an electric oven. So they did really, they love cooking with gas. They could have got away with induction cooktop in this here, and they could have got away with electric hot water in this situation here, but they were happy to use the gas. They would prefer to use the electricity for their infrared sauna, more running the pool pump and stuff of the day. This pool pump is actually heated by electricity. They do have a heat pump technology pool heater in this place. So it's quite a decent system. It's really actually not that expensive considering what they do run off grid. If you compare it to poles and wires, so if you're buying a block of land with poles and wires, this system's definitely a lot cheaper than poles and wires, and you don't get a bill moving forward.
That'd be awesome. Cheers, mate. If anyone wants to get in touch, there's a link in the description below. Have a good one.